In this use case, we will see a basic example of how to use VirusTotal to collect the IoCs related to a possible threat. Let's suppose we have a security alert from our SIEM. This is the hash of the file. We are already seeing a confirmation from VirusTotal that this hash has detections. If we go to VirusTotal and check the same hash in the Relationships tab, we see that there are domains and URLs contacted by this file that maybe we have to take into account. VT API allows us to automate this process, integrating this data directly into our security platform, such as SIEM, SOAR, EDR, etc. This is a script to showcase how programmatic VT intelligence searches can be combined with file sandbox behavior lookups in order to generate network indicators of compromise that can be fed into network perimeter defenses. You can find this script in VirusTotal GitHub. Here, we see the result of our query. These are the related URLs and domains, essential data that we should take into consideration.